Robert Kiyosaki revealed, if you put $100 into Shiba Inu coin today, you will be rich. Shib News. Shiba Inu's price jumped higher on the 5th of December as markets still assess the jobs report from this past Friday. The stronger point shows resilience in the U.S. job market against higher rates from the Fed and puts on the table the possible Goldilocks scenario wherein the Fed keeps hiking while no major job losses occur and the economy keeps growing. That would massively support equities and create a tailwind for cryptocurrencies this Monday. In this video, we will talk about Robert Kiyosaki revealed, if you put $100 into Shiba Inu coin today, you will be rich. Shib News. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions, and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu is baffling traders on the 5th of December with a jaw-breaking move to the upside, as at one point an 8% gain was printed intraday in the Asia PAC session. That move higher came off the back of easing measures from the Chinese government, letting further loose its COVID policy. With the hope for a soft landing in the US as the US job numbers showed a very resilient job market, sentiment might trigger a turnaround as the Fed is nearing its pivot and historically often quickly starts to cut rates after that. Shib has one important job today, closing above the green ascending trend line to support the current breakout. This way, bulls can reclaim the region above the trend line and put it back to good use to support the rally. Expect to see the 55-day simple moving average SMA and the 200-day SMA near $0.00001100 before hitting $0.00001250 near the R1 resistance level for December. The current equilibrium between all asset classes is very fragile at the moment. A single headline from a Fed member that mentions something other than what markets are expecting could easily break down the current correlations at hand. That would mean that the mentioned tailwind from equities could fall apart, break down quickly, and even become a headwind, triggering a drop below the green ascending trend line. Expect support to come in near $0.00000900. In the crypto world, one way to stay ahead of major market moves is by tracking the activity of the biggest market participants. These large market participants are known as whales and can move the market upward and downward. Thanks to the transparency blockchains provide, it's possible to track the moves of crypto whales in real time using readily available online tools. Based on a recent on-chain analysis, crypto whales appear to have a major position in Shiba Inu. The case for Shiba Inu is more complex, given that it is still too easy to view Shiba Inu as a get-rich-quick meme coin. But to Shiba Inu's credit, the creators of this meme coin have been taking concrete steps to boost its overall value. The most dramatic step, of course, has been significantly increasing the burn rate of Shiba Inu. The coin launched with a total circulating supply of 1 quadrillion coins, so Shiba Inu must continue to burn coins if it ever wants to get to the $1 price point. A massive oversupply of Shiba Inu means this meme coin still trades for just $0.00000917. Shiba Inu has also been taking steps to boost the utility of its coin. For example, Shiba Inu has been developing a new online metaverse world where you can use crypto to buy and sell land. It also forms partnerships with retailers and real-world merchants to get Shiba Inu accepted as a legitimate payment option. One recent win, for example, includes American Airlines. When you're ready to book your next travel vacation, you can pay for your flight with Shiba Inu. As a general rule of thumb, crypto whales move markets. It's the same dynamic as in the stock market, where investors make major decisions about what to do with a particular stock based on what Warren Buffett or a major hedge fund is doing. Thus, by making it a regular habit to check what these whales are doing, it could be possible to anticipate upcoming market moves and get a better sense of the overall market sentiment. At the very least, you can get some good trading ideas by poking around the crypto portfolios of major whales. And you can also get a better idea of how the biggest crypto investors in the world are allocating their portfolios and how many overall tokens they own. Binance is known as the biggest cryptocurrency exchange for its daily trading volume. Still, over the last few weeks, it has even justified itself as one of the biggest crypto market players, following a sale of all of its FTT holdings and the subsequent collapse of FTX. Binance has to come out on top. Shiba Inu's price closed November's auction with a 25% loss of market value. Shib has retested a previously broken level of support, which could be the catalyst for another decline. A sustained hurdle and consolidation above $0.0001000 will be needed to create opposing bullish scenarios. Shiba Inu was another notable gainer on the 5th of December, as the meme coin moved to a 3-week high. Shib surged to a high of $0.0001005 to start the week, after which it fell to a bottom of $0.000009253 on Sunday. As a result of today's gains, Shiba Inu is trading at its highest point since November 11, close to a key resistance point. Shib bulls failed to take the token beyond this ceiling at $0.0001010, instead choosing to liquidate earlier positions and take profits. Due to this, Shib has slipped from earlier highs and is trading at $0.000009866. This comes as the RSI nears a resistance level of its own at the 56.00 mark. Currently, the index is trading at 55.39. Former leading hedge fund Chris Caper is the real deal. With his simple options trading strategy, he's helping thousands of traders by sharing his trade signals in real time. The Shib Superstore's official Twitter page reports that the project has already burned a staggering 3.27 billion Shib tokens. This project began burning Shib tokens in November 2021, and it is expected that it will continue incinerating billions of Shib tokens in the upcoming years. Token burning involves taking away coins from the total circulation. Usually, it involves transferring the coins or tokens to an address that does not have an associated private key so that it can never be retrieved. In the last 7 days, 126 million Shib tokens were burned and 50 transactions were completed, whereas the prior week saw 223 million Shib tokens burnt. On the 6th of December, more than 280 billion Shiba Inu were transported by these unidentified whales in 3 processes. Someone sold hundreds of millions on Binance. These unidentified whales have transported over 280 billion Shiba Inu in 3 processes. Interestingly, one of the whales sold hundreds of millions on Binance. Etherscan data shared by the Shiba Play Twitter account shows that anonymous wallets have transferred more than 281 billion Shib tokens in the last 24 hours. These followed Friday's 115 billion Shiba sales. The Twitter user reported 3 transfers carrying 120,670,363,906, 83,341,872,681, and 77,950,331,254 Shiba Inu. One of the wallets was the target of the first transaction made in 24 hours. As of now, crypto remains at this address. However, nothing can be said about the wallets that received 83.3 million and 77.9 million Shiba. Both of these wallets sent Shib. Now they don't have any Shiba Inu left in their wallet. The wallet that bought 83,341,872,681 Shib moved to another wallet and repurchased Shiba in 3 big mails. These quantities he bought consisted of 243,639,085, 269,636.464, and 269,490,967 Shiba Inu. These 3 mails immediately sent the entire Shib to other addresses. With the current price fluctuations of the second largest meme coin, whales profit by buying Shiba Sat on the decline and selling when the price rises, albeit briefly. On Friday, CryptoCoin.com reported that a mysterious whale sent 114,952,894,138 Shib to a wallet ending in -7E6C. After that, this large chunk of Shiba was sent to a Binance wallet, most likely to be sold. That amount of Shiba was roughly $1.4 million at the time. According to Etherscan, the other 3 wallets send large sums of Shiba to the same Binance wallet simultaneously. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.
Things get completely out of control. While the chart is still red, it is a pure distraction. The on-chain data tells completely different things. BlackRock, Coinbase, and behind the scenes. Moves that will be discussed in this video might change your perspective on Shiba Inu entirely. But what am I talking about? And why should you be excited? Well, let me explain. Shiba Inu has taken another dip in its price over the past 24 hours. It is quite noteworthy that this marks the third consecutive day of struggles for Shiba Inu's value. Interestingly, the primary reason behind Shiba Inu's decline isn't directly related to Shiba Inu itself or its development team. Instead, it is the ever-influential Bitcoin that is at play. Given Shiba Inu's tendency to closely follow Bitcoin's price trajectory, any shifts in the world of Bitcoin tend to have a significant impact on Shiba Inu's value. We won't dive deep into the intricacies of Bitcoin's movements today, as there's a lot of pressing Shiba Inu news to cover. However, it's worth noting that today, BlackRock has seen another absence of Bitcoin inflows for the third consecutive day. Meanwhile, Grayscale appears to be actively offloading its Bitcoin holdings. And it's actually super crazy and surprising. Right after the Bitcoin ETF approval in the United States, BlackRock saw more than 70 days of inflow streak. And now, when it first saw zero inflows 2 days ago, people were shocked and panicked. But if that panic was huge, can you imagine what panic is now, as it is the third day in a row of zero inflows? Investors might be hitting the panic button, selling off assets and anxiously monitoring the market, fearing further downturns, losing confidence in the entire crypto market. It is very strange, and a lot of investors are now speculating what is going on. Because this is not something common for BlackRock, as we can see with its 70-day inflow streak. While 1 day of zero inflows might make some sense somehow, BlackRock is still a very strong investor. Though still, the reason behind that is unknown. But 3 days of zero inflows? This really makes us think that something is wrong. The number 0 is what's interesting. This is not an inflow, and not an outflow, but zero, which is something that makes us scratching our heads why. So, what could be the reasons behind this anomaly? Well, it could be due to various factors such as institutional investors reallocating their funds, regulatory uncertainty, or perhaps a strategic move by BlackRock itself. However, with it being precise, it makes us think that this is not investors, but some move from BlackRock instead. It really doesn't look like natural human behavior to stay precisely at zero. Typically, there's some fluctuation, even if it's slight, either positive or negative. But to remain at zero for 3 consecutive days seems intentional, suggesting a deliberate action from BlackRock, rather than a result of investors' natural behavior. But without concrete information, it's all speculation at this point. But anyway, this is the reason why. Bitcoin keeps dumping for the 3rd day in a row, pulling Shiba Inu and the entire crypto market along with it. However, Shiba Inu's price is still up 41% within the weekly time frame, as we might remember. Shiba Inu price soared 53% rally between April 19 and April 22 after the team's $12 million fundraise announcement got Shiba Inu off to a positive start. With the last 3 days, Shiba Inu has retraced 10% towards, cutting its weekly gains to 41%. But interestingly, recent trends observed in the derivatives markets suggest that bulls are still on the prowl for more gains. And if bulls are still on the prowl for more gains, that is all that matters. Short-time fluctuations, especially if they are not because of Shiba Inu itself, but the broad crypto space, don't matter that much. Think of it like this. If you're on a road trip and you hit a few bumps along the way due to traffic or road conditions, it doesn't change your destination or the overall success of your trip. Similarly, if the broader market is down and the broader crypto market experiences fluctuations due to factors outside of Shiba Inu's control, it doesn't change the long-term potential of Shiba Inu as long as the underlying demand and bullish sentiment remain intact. Looking beyond the Shiba Inu's 10% price correction in the last 3 days, the broader meme coin markets have been on a tear this week. In a bid to front-run Shiba Inu's next recovery phase, speculative traders have been mounting new futures contracts at a disproportionate rate compared to the price trend. This is very important. Shiba Inu's price is expected to bounce back, as it indicates that despite short-term setbacks, there's significant optimism and confidence in the potential for Shiba Inu's price to bounce back. When traders are actively engaging in futures contracts, it suggests they're betting on a bullish future for Shiba Inu. This increased activity can further fuel positive sentiment and potentially drive the price upward in the near term. And here's something you should understand. CoinGlass Open Interest Metric monitors the total value of active futures contracts for a specific currency asset. At the beginning of the week, Shiba Inu's open interest was at $51 million. However, the latest data reveals a significant increase, with Shiba Inu open interest climbing by $23 million since April 19th, reaching $75 million as of now. Notably, this marks a robust 45% growth in Shiba Inu open interest within the weekly time frame, surpassing the 41% price growth of Shiba Inu. When open interest surpasses price growth, it reflects a strong trend in Shiba Inu's open interest. The trend is a strong bullish sentiment among speculative traders. Firstly, a surge in open interest indicates increasing participation and interest from traders, showcasing their confidence in the asset's future price potential. This surge in trading activity can contribute to higher liquidity and trading volumes, thereby supporting upward price movements. Secondly, when open interest grows at a faster rate than prices, it suggests that traders are accumulating long positions or implementing hedging strategies, anticipating further price appreciation. Therefore, this substantial $23 million increase in Shiba Inu open interest could serve as a precursor to another upward movement, potentially pushing Shiba Inu towards the 403 price milestone in the near future. But now you might wonder, why is there such growing excitement among Shiba Inu investors? Well, it was just revealed that Shibarium, which is one of the most important elements of Shiba Inu, is set to undergo a hard fork. Now, for those who might not be familiar with Shiba Inu is a trading platform that is used to trade in the market. In the case of Shibarium, this hard fork is aimed at improving the experience of the community and developers. According to the notification, the upcoming technical advancement for Shibarium will be a transformative upgrade that brings to life a variety of functionalities, specifically intended to improve user experience and further empower innovators. And realizing that Shibarium's hard fork adds credibility to investment prospects, it shifts the focus from pure speculation to solid groundwork, providing reassurance to investors and attracting those seeking substance over hype. Further confirmation comes from a recent post by early Bitcoin advocate Da Vinci Jeremy, who drew the public's attention to Shiba Inu, hinting that Shiba Inu is about to experience something significant. And notably, Satoshi Kusama reacted with a cryptic response with an image. According to Kusama's response, the lady in the image gestured in agreement with Jeremy's speculation about Shiba Inu. This suggests that Kusama is confident of an imminent rally for the canine-themed token. Diving further, we'll find that an eye-opening $1.50 trillion tokens are moving within a 24-hour period on the Shiba Inu network. These large transfers are crucial for traders to note, as they could indicate upcoming price movements. Among these transfers are significant amounts, such as one noticeable transaction moving to Shiba Inu, approximately $1.36 million, directed toward an unidentified recipient from what appears to be a private wallet. Another notable movement is from a Coinbase hot wallet, with over 106 billion Shiba Inu, equating to around $2.65 million, likely an internal transfer, or preparation for a volatility surge, which is what we are looking for. And preparation for an upcoming volatility surge fits perfectly with what we've discussed in this video and the potential for an upcoming Shiba Inu price surge. One thing we need to address is the Bitcoin dumping due to zero inflows with BlackRock, but investors believe this issue should be resolved very soon. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section. This really helps the channel. Thank you for watching. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.